do it all the time. All about the way I breathe down. Always let me know the ground. What you want now? I do it for the masses. I never blow my chances. My start is classic. Started you on the beat. I got.
Okay, y'all, so this is me up in the morning. I look a hot mess. My face is swollen because of my thyroid and whatnot, but this is just me up doing my morning facial routine. And also, welcome to a new week. Um, I did a lot this week. Some of it I did not get to record, y'all, so I tried to post what I can. But y'all enjoy the clip. But yeah, this is me, just doing my morning facial routine, you guys. And don't mind my face, it is swollen. So it's making me look a little hot mess, but don't worry about that, y'all. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna get myself all dolled up or whatever and put my lashes and my hair and stuff on. I tried. I got up and did my face or whatever. I already took my bath. So, yeah. I will get back with y'all later on.
Good luck, guys. Here we go. Oh my god, we got one.
Oh, this is difficult.
That's the one right there. I think it's our auto. I think it's our auto. Right here. It is our auto. Oh my god.
So, I'm about to be starting my squat challenge, y'all, okay? I'm about to go do that now, and I'm going to be doing my workout. Hold on. Gotta make sure I look okay. So I'm about to start my squat challenge again. I've been doing it every day, but I haven't been recording except for that one day because I'm trying to skip my days recording. So today's gonna be my 4th day on my squats because I did it yesterday and the day before that, and then I recorded before that. So this is gonna be the 4th day, and then tomorrow's gonna be the 5th. So stay tuned. I'm gonna do my challenge, and then I'm gonna show y'all some workout first. So I'm gonna get on the bike. This is day 4. I was doing it before that, but I had to start over. So I'm gonna get on the bike for a little bit, and then I'm gonna do the squats. So I'm gonna do the bike first. Pause first. Okay, so I'm up to some oatmeal this morning with sausage. That's what I'm doing. Basically, I'm not really doing nothing else right now. I'm probably gonna play the game for a little bit, and then that's about it. I just want to hear the end of that. That's what I'm doing. I'm cooking some oatmeal, and that's it for right now. I'll probably get back and forth later on. My eyes are swollen, y'all, because I just woke up, but I was up all night until like 5 in the morning playing the game. Okay. But I'll check back with y'all later. So that's how I do my oatmeal. I like to put Okay, so this is how I do mine. I normally don't eat this, but that's all I have right now since I'm not home. And that's my breakfast, y'all. Stuff, y'all. So in the shower. This is something by Maybelline, y'all. I paid $2 for it. It's like a facial cleanser. I put this under my boobs and my face, and I bought this bottle to put it in. So yeah, I've been had this for a minute, and I'm just not using it, but it was expensive. And I got my Bath and Body Works I got for my birthday. So my foot cleaner, clean my foot. This is a like one of them turmeric soap things to keep your skin even. That's what I'm using. Braiding my hair for the night. I don't know what that is. Stick it up. Yeah. Picky tails.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm sitting down today in a chair and doing my arm reps. Hold on. I gotta click back. I'm making regular deadlifts today. I'm tired and I'm sleepy, but I'm getting some. Alexa, set a 8-minute timer.
8 minutes, 7 minutes.
I do my squats after this. And after the 30-day challenge, I will be doing a 75-day challenge. It's called the 75-day hard challenge. I think that's what it's called. If y'all look it up on Instagram, yeah, it's a girl that is doing it. I don't know if I'm gonna say her name or not. Y'all can follow her and see. All you have to do is type that in the hashtags. But after this 30-day challenge, that's what I'm doing. So I should have at least 70 off in December. Heads. At least 70. And I'm tired today. I do not feel like doing this at all. But I'm up in here. I just feel extra sleepy today. For some reason, I just feel tired today. But I'm up in here. I'm up in here. I had a whole year that I was, stuck homeless and couldn't do much of anything. So I have to make that up to myself and get this going. Of course, I stayed with my sister off and on, but not TMI. But I can get my bike back together. It's hard to do stuff in a tough situation. And really, my goal was to just be moving. Keep my body moving. I don't want to do too much, and I don't want to overdo it or think about it. I want to just be relaxed, work out, and enjoy. I don't want to be like too overage about it. I don't want to do too much because I know how to get it off, but my body is so much tighter now. Since the flu and stuff came off of me, my body is just on a whole other level of soreness. And it hurt, and I still feel tired, and it's just a mess. But God's trying to get together. Okay, my knees jacked up, so. But this is what I'm doing today. 10 minutes of my arm work. I do have one of these at home. I'm not at home right now, but I do have one of these at home. So I'll be doing this at home too. And my arms can use some toning up, so that's why I'm doing my arms. Because otherwise, I don't be worried about my arms. Like, I don't care about having big arms. I just don't care about it. But I am trying to tone up my whole body this time because I gained over 170 pounds. So I gotta tone it up. But yeah, I will see y'all later. I probably will not record tomorrow. Tomorrow is probably just gonna be me doing. In fact, I'm gonna do one squat thing today, and I'm gonna do one tomorrow, and then after that I'm gonna do the 3, and then I'm gonna record. I'm still gonna record my squats, but I'm not gonna be recording the rest of my workout. And this is getting my back area because I'm really wide up top. So this is getting my back area. That's what I like about this. It's getting those muscles up in there. So something else I want to talk about. I really want to go do a sip and paint. I'm gonna drink that. I'm gonna go do a sip and paint. So who will be down for a sip and paint? When you go sip and use paint at the same time. I think that's fun. Something fun to do. The 75-day challenge is gonna whoop my butt for real. It's 75 days non-stop. I'm doing 30 days. I'm up. I'm in here. I'm doing it. Of course, I was gonna work out. My thing is picking up my camera and recording because I was just working out all my life. People want to see me vlog, so get up and get the hell on here. It was different from when I was in my car. So, anyway, something to talk about. Pop up. Come here. No. I'm cooking my dinner, well, making my salad for dinner, and then I'm gonna get on my workout for 15 minutes at around 8:30. So right now I'm waiting for my egg to get done. I'm boiling my egg in the microwave because I don't feel like putting it on the stove. So I showed you my salad. I know y'all can't see me because there's no light on over here but the stove. So now my egg is done. What you do now is just pour the water off of the egg, and then I'm gonna add it to my water off. pour it on my dish towel. And that's how you boil an egg. Got my stuff cut up, and now I'm going to put it in the salad. And I'm gonna put some black pepper on there. Some black pepper. I can't do it with the camera on, so yeah.
Okay, y'all, this is me at the pool. I'm ending my vlog. I went to get in the pool and enjoy the rest of my day. This is about it, y'all. That water was cold, but it felt good. Didn't have to hop up out of there, but I had fun. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, and I will be posting another vlog next week. Y'all, I'm out of there. It's cold. It's cold. I am out of there, y'all. My hair looks a mess, but it's cold and I'm hungry. I'm out of there.